Hello, my name is Maqsadul Haq. I'm a support engineer at E1 Solution. Today, I would like to show you how to create a Popdock API endpoint to use with Power BI. We have documented step for this. Let's head over to Popdock first. From the hamburger menu, we need to find the endpoint. If you don't see the endpoint under your menu, because you do not have the permission, if you do not have access to the API endpoint, you need to go to security options, go to the role, and make sure you have API contributions, API admin, and API reader roles are assigned to your user. Then log back into Popdock. You should be able to see the API endpoint options. Click here to add a endpoint. Click here to add endpoint. Name it BC Sales Transactions. I'm going to use the Business Central connector for this. I'm going to open up the sales group. I'm going to select the sales transaction. Keep as a default and select a company. Add this endpoint. From the menu, if we navigate to the endpoint, in Popdock, we need to go to the security. To find the user token or create a token, we have to head over to security, edit the user, click on token, click here to add a token. At endpoint, add this token. In Microsoft Excel, we're going to click on Data tab, click on Form Web, select the Advanced options. For the URL part, we will copy the data endpoint, change the data endpoint to CSV, then click on Copy. And simply paste the URL here. For the header, we have to type in authorization and type in bearer. Then we need to find our token for the user from the Popdock. We go and copy the user token and paste right here. Click OK. Everything goes fine. The data will load. You can click on load. Once you successfully load your data in Excel, you would be able to do the same in Power BI. Thank you for watching. I hope this short recording for Popdock API endpoint was helpful.